Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable auto download over Wi-Fi in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to software update, and here you are seeing auto download over Wi-Fi option. If it is turned on, if you would like to turn off auto download over Wi-Fi, just turn off this button so that when your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi, automatic download will be prevented. Okay, so if you would like to do auto download over Wi-Fi, turn on it, and software update, if any is available in your phone, it will be automatically downloaded when your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi. Here I have one download and download software download. Okay, so I have update. If my phone is now connected to other Wi-Fi, immediately auto download will start. So if it is required, you should keep it turned on, otherwise turn off this button so that you can prevent auto download over Wi-Fi in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.